Hello, welcome back to Damien and Carlos. Today, we're not doing no soccer tricks. Today, we're going to do fidget spinners. Are you guys ready? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Look at this.
Okay, I'm going to show you the first fidget spinner rule. You do this first, then you do this. Then you do it in the other hand, and then like that. See? It's easy. Okay, now Damien's going to show you another way.
And then you could do this. How did I do that?
You can do this.
Oh, that was so cool though. And for these fidget spinners, you just go like this. And for this, it's easy to catch it with. It slows down though. But it's not that easy. So, here.
So this is how you do it. Sometimes it can be hard. Okay, let's check out the next one. This one goes fast. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. You can do that. I just did it right now. Or you can do this. Change it to fingers. And it can roll around you.
Unpause it. Did it show when I went like that and I caught it?
Okay. The next thing you could do
Hey, Beto! You should have saw my trick.
is this.
You should have saw my
You see
trick. Huh? You could even tell her you should have seen my trick, huh?
And now,
like this. And then
I'm going to show you how to fix the fidget spinner. Look it. Watch. Just keep on doing that, and all the pieces will come off. See?
Yeah.
And then the bearing come off. Watch.
If this part come off, the part that makes it spin, if it falls off, if these thumb caps fall off, you just keep on spinning it, and then you can do the one hand thing. Alright?
It broke. But doesn't mean you can't do tricks. So it don't matter if you got a broken fidget spinner.
Without these bearings.
If your friends tell you something, just don't listen to them. Really, better.
Just say this. At least.
Just say this. At least I got a fidget spinner.
Uh-huh.